Hello, beautiful. The kookaburras want their food too. Big storm brewing. I'm just going to go down here and put some seed in here too. Where's the rest of the guys? Hey, sweetie. You're my little friend, aren't you? You're a sweetheart. Yes, you are. You're a beautiful girl. Get in and eat before that bully brother of yours knocks you off the plate like he does every day, huh? Yeah, he's a big bully, isn't he, your brother? Hey? Yep. Well, we're in for a very big storm by the looks of things. That'll be good. We'll have some strawberries at the end of this. Won't we, darling? Lots of strawberries, unless you steal them. Unless you steal them all. Beautiful girl. Yes, beautiful girl. Are you going to be shy with me? You're going to be shy? I don't think so.